We are looking at a new Laravel application. Now it's time to look at the code, find out where this content is located, and make some edits. This is Visual Studio Code within Codespaces. You can use an IDE of your choice if you're developing locally outside of Codespaces. This is your Laravel app codebase. With these many files and folders, it's easy for a beginner to get overwhelmed at first. For the basic app that we are going to build in this course, we only need to access a few of these, and we'll take it step by step. The very first thing we find out is where this content is being fetched from. In a core PHP project, you need to have an index.php that is fetched when you type localhost or access the root URL. You can find that index.php within the public folder, right here. But you cannot immediately make sense of anything in this, right? So where is the HTML content that is shown here coming from? Laravel, just like any other framework, has routes. They are defined in a routes file located in the routes directory, which is here. You can see two files here, but web.php is the only one we're going to use in this course. This contains all the web routes. You see, we have a single route defined here, which is the base URL for our project. This returns the welcome view. Command click or control click on this link to open the view file. This is exactly the page we are seeing on the browser. To verify, let's search for this word Laracast here and change it to something else. Here we go, Laracasts, and let me change it to Laracasts videos. And save the file, go back and refresh the browser, you can see that it's updated. Alright, let's go back to the routes file, web.php. Let's just copy this route declaration, paste it below, and change this URL to something else, like let's say we change it to home. Now go to the browser and type /home, and we see the exact same welcome view. Try accessing some other route like welcome or something, and you get a 404 page not found error. If you go back to the routes file and comment out the first route, and try accessing the base URL this time, you get the same error. So web.php is the file where you need to register every single route in your project.